Oh, hello there. For our next project, that probably will not be a fail, I'm going to try to make a race car. And it will actually race, if I get the wheels right. Start, scissors, will help. Okay, new plan. I'm gonna mark the part I want cut out with a Sharpie and give it to my mom to do, because I'm probably gonna cut myself if I tried to do it. Okay. Can you also cut out that part? She couldn't cut out the hole. So I am just going to work smarter, not harder, and unscrew the cap. Got my Lego wheels right here. Do you think these are too tiny? Do you think they are? Okay, now I'm gonna plug in the old glue gun. The old glue gun, so old. It's existed since 1992. It's very old in my time. I was about 7 years old when I was allowed to use this glue gun without adult supervision. Don't use this without adult supervision till you're 28. Before using a glue gun, lay down a mat so you don't ruin your desk. It's for a different video. This would work well, but I don't have 2 of them. And also, it's really hard to find dye that don't belong to a game. Don't belong to a game. Don't belong to a game. These belong to a game. I got the rest of the Legos. I still don't know why I still have these on. But I like them. Although when I do this, it makes me dizzy. Okay, found one. The 4th thing, right? They're probably getting bored. Yeah, I found a piece from one of my brother's trucks. Don't tell. Okay. Anyway. Okay, is this heated? Yeah, okay, that's heated. By the way, in every episode since this one, tried to find the backpack. I'm kidding. Just tried to find the backpack. It's not here. The backpack's down there. No, my school backpack. Yeah, there it is. I keep getting distracted because I'm very easily distracted. Okay, should I put this here? Well, that's not an even space. Okay. Okay, there we go. It's a very pretty purple piece. Oh my god, that works. It smells like apple cider. There was apple cider in here. Okay. It's pretty good. Balloon! Actually, that's a bad idea. Rule number 1 of crafting with balloons. tape do not mix. Don't burn yourself, don't burn yourself, don't burn yourself, don't burn yourself. Don't burn yourself. Can't remember when I started crafting with the glue gun, but I know I was happy. So the rules for my STEM project is that I have to use a plastic water bottle and it has to be the main piece. So I guess it doesn't. You just can't take another craft you made and then stick water bottles on it, because that would not be fair. Theory is I'm supposed to take this off. Then here's our engine. I can just slip it through. That popped me in the nose and it really hurt, so don't laugh, you're my mother! Don't laugh, you're my mother! How could you? This doesn't work. I'm sacrificing. I am sacrificing a lot of Legos for this. And I love Legos. Back to me. Okay, this time it didn't pop in my nose, so that's an improvement.